We bought this property in Dornbach here years ago, which was associated with several problems. The ground floor in particular suffered severely from water ingress from the street, as did damp walls, which absorbed moisture from the garden soil. Also, in the driveway area next to the house, there's a park with a lot of earth and water. Additionally, only a small part of the ground floor is basemented. This cellar as well, a brick vaulted cellar, was incredibly saturated with moisture. It was of utmost importance to me to get this entire house completely dry, and we thoroughly tested every single option that was available on the market. This ranged from sealing off the building's foundation with various chemicals to biological treatments or any other method imaginable. Then an architect friend came to me saying he knew a company that had shown him a completely new product, nano cement. Its property is that it expels moisture from the bricks outwards. He then introduced me to NCT, the company with whom we then began this project. On the ground floor, we completely removed all interior wall plaster from the inside up to a height of 1 meter. Once the brickwork was exposed, we then applied a special nano cement. Likewise, a protective nano coating was applied throughout the entire brick vaulted cellar. You could very quickly see here how this particular area had become dry, how it had truly expelled all the moisture to the exterior, and then we were able to plaster and paint over it in a completely normal way. A further quite extreme side effect was that the bricks in this vaulted cellar were already in a rather poor state, and the nano cement had brought about a truly massive reinforcement of the brick material itself. Where one could previously quite easily push a nail in, it was now, however, extremely difficult to do so.
We have also been able to achieve a static improvement in its overall stability and performance, and the project is now about 5 or 6 years old.
So if you look at the walls, there are no flattened areas, no damp patches. I am utterly satisfied with this product. And an additional aspect which was naturally important to me was that no chemicals were used here. I have children, and for that reason chemicals aren't always the best solution. And this product truly worked perfectly here.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.